Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Target today. I found the Graveyard of the Legend finally, the blue grain, the grandma one. Of course, diecast. There it is, Monster Jam, Series 22. Of course, the back. All I need is Blue Thunder because I have Bakugan and the Toro Loco, so I don't need those no more. But pretty cool. I got it for actually $8 actually because it was Target Circle right now. Now they're 10, but I paid 8 for it since I have the phone number for the Target. Really good. I recommend it, guys. Like if you buy stuff, it'll probably come out cheaper if it's on sale. So yeah, $8 for this truck. Further ado, I already took off the rubber band, so it'll be hard. What's going on here? Sorry guys about the struggle, I'm sorry. Ooh, here it is. Grain Toe, guys, Monster Jam. Diecast, of course. Dark blue rims. Dark blue rims. The little screws in there, the tires, and then the front of it. Really nice. You can see my reflection on the window. That's how shiny it is. That's Grain Co. 427 CI Monster Jam. The zoomies are pretty cool. Of course, the back of the truck. The taillight printing. Pretty cool. So that's all I got today. And of course the retro chassis at the bottom. So that's all I got today, guys. I'm open to get more next week. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.